In this video, I'm going to show you how to add B-roll in HeyGen. Now, if you want to check out HeyGen for yourself, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and from there you can check it out completely for free. So to add B-roll, first I would open up the avatar section and go inside AI Studio, and this is where you can basically add your B-roll, okay? Of course, you could open up an existing project, a new one, whatever you want to achieve, and to add B-roll into your project, you want to go to over here on the right, where you can see a bunch of different things. You have avatar, AI tools, you have media and elements, stuff like that. So to actually add B-roll, the easiest way would be to go into media here, and you can actually see there's like some B-roll already inside image and video. You can use that if you want to, but of course you can also go to my media, and this is where you can add your own B-roll. Of course you could click on here and just upload it or drag and drop it. I'm just going to click here, and I'm actually going to upload these two things, which is basically like two videos from Pexels over here. I'm going to upload these. They're going to get uploaded in here, and as you can see, it's going to start loading in, and whenever that's done uploading and processing, you'll be able to basically add it onto your video just like this. Okay, so literally with the click of a button, you'll be able to add it back here. Now if you have like specific characters which don't have a background, you could even put it in the back. Maybe you could do whatever you want. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and use this right now. There we go. So it actually did a transparent background, and if I go back to media here, let's see if this is still loading. It is. There we go. It's rendered in. I can just click on this button, for example, and I can go ahead and put this B-roll in here behind this person, for example. And if I now do like right click, send to back, there we go. This person now has a new background, which is essentially some B-roll of some palm trees. And if I were to actually play this, you'd see that in the back, that's actually playing. So now it's rendering. There we go. The video is quite static, but you can see some movement there. And yeah, that's essentially how you do it. Now, I know this is not the best example, but still you can achieve literally anything you want just by doing it like that, by adding in your B-roll and then customizing it however you want. And of course, you can then create your own videos your own way just like that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.